afternoon, everyone. This is Chevy Hampton reporting from Channel 8 News. Da 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 da. In other words, just making it up as I go. So we're out here today. We're going to try and restore the grill on our 2000 S10 Jimmy. And it's all faded. It's all yellowy. Looks all nasty. It's just, yeah, it's gross. So we're going to repaint it. We're going to make it look black and be the black and chrome. And it's going to look really good when it's done. We'll put it on the front of the Jimmy. I'm currently sitting in the Jimmy right now. The wind is out there blowing 100 miles an hour. And it's freezing ass cold because we live in Idaho. Which is crazy because you know how many people love Idaho? They go, oh, I love Idaho. I love the snow. Oh, seriously. I can't believe those people that just sit there in the snow and they go, oh, I love snow. But you're okay with the wind. Anybody ever said they like wind? Wind sucks. Wind generally sucks. I mean, unless you're like a professional kite flyer. But then you're a kite flyer, so your opinion's irrelevant. Anyway, back to the main story. So, we're going to go restore this thing. Let's get out there. Let's get the grill off. And let's freeze our ass off for a minute. We'll get in the shop. We'll get it all masked up and make it look good. And we'll go from there. Ugh, I am so not ready for this. So here's our grill. Look how just nasty is it. And you have to bear with me because if the audio is bad, I mean, it's windy. So you see how just yellowy and nasty this is kind of looking. It's not looking the best. We're trying to restore this Jimmy, get it back up to our glory days. Let's go ahead. We're going to open the hood. We'll get this hood open and we'll rip off that grill. Okay, now that we got this in here, what we're going to do is we got to mask off all this chrome that goes all the way around. I'm going to take my masking tape. I'm just going to run a piece of tape all the way across. And then mask up the whole thing with some paper. And then we'll scuff this up a little bit with some Scotch-Brite up in here. Oh, we might even take off the emblems. I think we're repainting the whole back piece of the grill too. So everything in there's going to be black. It'll be black, brand new. Might even repaint this top section up here so when you pop the hood, it looks really good. Okay, now that we got this whole thing masked off, I think I'm going to take off the emblem. I should have done that beforehand, but we'll flip this upside down. You can see it's got these little bits in the plastic emblem, so we're just going to go ahead. It's like a 10 millimeter. We're going to take that 10 millimeter off, take the emblem out, and then we'll go from there. There we go. We're just going to take these and very carefully put them off to the side. Gum. Put them there so they don't get in the way and we don't lose them. We'll take our Scotch-Brite, we'll scuff all that up, and then we'll paint it. As I started scuffing this, the one big thing I did see is where it's all yellow down here and faded, up underneath is still the stock color. So it's still black, so it actually goes from black and then it fades down to this gray color. So it's kind of funny. I'm going to go ahead, take my primer. We're going to primer the whole grill first, just so it looks kind of nice. Mostly focusing just here on these edges, where all this is really going to suck back. Not really so much up in here. And now we wait. All of that is drying inside the shop. We're going to go ahead and take our spray paint, and we're going to come in here and spray paint all this ugly stuff. Not enough to do anything crazy, but just enough to make it look fancy. Doesn't that look so much better? 20 minutes later. Okay. Don't really know where to stand. It's got the best lighting. Okay, so we got the primers all dry. We're going to go ahead, hit it with our spray paint. We're going to spray this thing down, make it look freaking fancy. Just takes a little bit of paint. Look at that. It's going to be good as new. People are going to ask all the time, man, did you replace that? You buy a new one to replace that? Like, nah, man, I just cleaned it up myself. We're going to go ahead and let this first coat dry. That way it's not too heavy because it's still kind of cold in the shop. I do have the fan going over there, really annoying. I apologize, but I'm freezing, so we're going to go ahead and leave that on. Yeah, so we're just going to kind of let this dry up a little bit, and then when it dries, we'll go ahead and put another coat on, and I think it'll be good. So I think the other thing we can do while all this is drying over here is we're going to come over here and I think we're going to hit this with some of the Scotch-Brite. It's going to get all the big, hard dirt and all the ugly stuff off there. And then we're going to hit it with some clear coat. And, you know, just to make it shiny, make it look really nice, stand out. And then when we put it back on there, that's going to be nice because we're going to have flat black. It'll be a flat black grill with nice, shiny emblems. Damn! Look how glossy. I just want to touch them. Those actually look really nice. Those are going to come out really nice. Now that this is somewhat dry, we're going to flip this over on top. And we're going to spray it from the back side right here. And this is just going to make sure that we got everything. Every one of these little vents. And nothing has been missed. 20 more minutes later. And she's done. I also took the time to clean all this up here, and I masked it off and I painted it so it looked real nice too. Go with the rest of it. It's still kind of wet. That's why it looks like that. Here she is. Now I think all we got to do is wait for the paint to dry on this. And we'll go ahead, we'll put all the GMC letters back in. We'll get this back up on the Jimmy, and she'll be looking good. Again. I'm pretty sure our GMC is now dry. Oh yeah, those are dry. Those turned out really nice, didn't they? So we're going to take these over here. Oh. Get out of the way, tripod. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to take our GMC letters, and we're going to put them on the grill. And she's going to look real pretty. Have all those screwed on there. Wow. That's looking really good, ain't it? I think this grill is finally ready to go. Let's go out here and let's go put it on. Oh. So, I kind of forgot I live in Alaska. We're just gonna go ahead and do this tomorrow. Let it be tomorrow. God damn it. Snap! It's tomorrow! Oh, that's much better. That's much, much better. Okay, let's get this grill put on. And see, look at that. That's all black up underneath that. Looks really good. We're just going to go ahead, figure out exactly where this grill's got to go. That easy. Wow. She looks really good now. We'll go ahead and close the hood. Wow. I'm kind of jealous. I'm kind of jealous of my own vehicle. Damn. Like always, I'll see you guys in the next one.